guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can basically find more poses on Dress to Impress. So for instance, you are wondering where people are getting this like pose here. I know this pose is very popular and you cannot find it anywhere in your pose pack. You actually have to purchase it using your DTI money. Select this icon here and select the one that you want to purchase. I'm just going to purchase this Gala Pose Pack. Select confirm, select continue, and it's going to be in my pose pack here. And that is pretty much it really for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.